Hello everyone, Shannon Thonise here. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. My name is Shannon Thonise. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup routine, which is the makeup that I'm wearing right now. And if you want to see how I do my makeup every day or most days, then just keep on watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off this tutorial with nothing on my face. First, I'm going to take my oil-free acne moisturizer by NEUTROGENA. I'm going to add a little bit to my fingers and I'm going to spread it evenly around my face. Once I finish moisturizing, I'm going to go ahead and start priming. The first primer that I'm going to be using is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I just add a little bit to my fingers and I kind of rub them together and then I apply it evenly around my face. The next primer I'm going to be using is one of my favorite primers, the MILAN Prime Shield Face Primer. I just apply a small amount to my fingers and I apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. I try to focus this primer in these areas because I notice that these are the areas that need the most priming. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. You can click up here if you want to check out my eyebrow tutorial. I will also leave a link in the description box as well. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation and Concealer in the shades Amber and Spice Almond. I mixed the two different shades of the foundation Amber and Spice Almond together and I use soft swiping motions with my brush to spread the foundation around my face. I continue applying my foundation until I have the desired coverage that I like. Now I take my Real Techniques RT200 Expert Face Brush to blend out my foundation. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Stick Foundation in the shade Coconut 355, and I'm going to apply it in my contour areas. I'm going to contour my face using the shade Chocolate from my medium Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I also like to contour around my nose and underneath my bottom lip. Going back in with my RT200 Expert Face Brush, I blend out my contour. Now to save time, I use my fingers to blend out the contour around my nose. Going back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium Cream Contour Kit, I'm going to take the shade Cream and use it to highlight. Areas that I like to highlight are my T-zone, my forehead, cheeks, nose, above my upper lip, and my chin. Going back in with my RT200 brush, I'm going to blend out my highlight. To set my face, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 30 Medium Deep. The brush that I'm using to set my highlight is the Real Techniques RT 402 setting brush. Now I'm going to bronze my face using the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil. To highlight, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild MegaGlo Illuminating palette. I'm going to start off by highlighting my cheekbones. I highlight a little underneath my eyebrows as well. I use the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes as well. To set my contour, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 360 Mocha. I take the NYX Lip Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Beauty Mark and I apply it to the outside of my lips. Now I'll take the shade Ruffle Trim and I apply it in the inner parts of my lips. The mascara that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is my everyday makeup.